We are about to get dumped on.
All right, so this is an interesting video. Dave and I are actually here at Floss Dental, and we're gonna have cleanings, and we're gonna get oral exam, and we're gonna have our teeth whitened. So we'll let you know how it goes. But this is Floss Dental right here. From the exterior, they are ready for us. They just texted me, said they were ready. And we're gonna head on in. Dave,
Yes.
what did you think of your dental experience today?
I'm glad I had teeth cleaning in the past because I couldn't really hear anything they were saying, and they did say a lot of things, but it was legit. They used best equipment. When you walk in there, you're gonna think it's like the nicest dentist room you've ever been in your whole life.
Awesome.
That's how nice it looks in there. So the equipment's top. 2 people, 4 steps. They use like a pick with a water jet.
Yep.
So it's vibrating, so that's how they cleaned it at first. And then they used a scraper.
Mm-hmm.
And then they used a water jet by itself. And then they polished. So,
Nice.
yeah, pretty good.
Swadika! So you'll see how beautiful this facility is, all top of the line, and they even have a TV on the ceiling, air conditioned, very relaxing and wonderful service. Thank you so much. We'll see you next time. All right, so we have shared our experience with you for the dental visit today. My teeth feel great. How about you, Dave?
My teeth feel great. You want to know how great they feel? They feel so great. I think we need to test them out, test drive them at the food market at the mall, Central Samui. What do you think?
I think that's definitely a plan. So we did not get our teeth whitened today, and it was just because it was a little bit more than what I expected for us to pay. Now they do have different types of teeth whitening here. They do the Zoom whitening, they do bleach with trays that you can do at home, several different ways of whitening your teeth. And in the States, when I go and get my teeth whitened, I actually use what's that thing, Dave, where you can buy the packages and super cheap?
Yeah, there's probably a reason why it's so cheap though. This is probably like super legit.
Yeah, it's probably really, it's like, yeah.
One treatment, your teeth are like glowing in the dark white. But yeah, the price was a little higher than I expected. I've never had my teeth whitened, and I don't love my teeth, so I wasn't gonna spend that kind of money to get my teeth whitened.
Usually I buy like a Groupon. In the States we have Groupon like app, and they have vendors on there that are, you know, selling packages and deals of the week or whatever deals, and I'll purchase teeth whitening through them. And I kind of got in on teeth whitening early with this one company over there in Arizona, and now I only typically pay like $35 to $45 for teeth whitening. And I think my teeth are pretty white as it is, but I do maintain them this color.
But you know what? I'll guarantee you though, there's a lot of people that would come here and see their prices there and be just fine with it.
Oh yeah, absolutely.
They would think it's a really good buy. Whoa!
Whoa! We just had a bunch of dogs go racing across the street.
Like really racing.
Yeah, like right in the middle of traffic.
So
Love
yeah, overall good experience, high quality, professional, highly trained, skilled, protocols, everything was legit.
Yeah, and I have to go back. I need a small filling, like at my gum line where I have a little bit of gum recession and I have a nerve a little bit exposed there and sensitive. And that's been a problem for me in the past as well with some of my other teeth. So I'm going to go back and I'll probably share that experience with you as well if there's enough video footage for it. But thanks for joining us today, and that's dental care here in Thailand. If you think it's going to be not up to par, you are totally wrong.
We are about to get dumped on. It is coming, and it is coming fast. So that's Kim trying to eat chicken wings when the storm of the century is about to unload on us.
Well, Dave was right. Boy, did that storm come in fast. The wind picked up, and within 3 minutes, it just came down on us. And we made it out of there just